Hello viewers, hello learners. My name is Abhishek Shah and this is your English classroom. Today I am very excited to explain Act 1 Scene 3 from Merchant of Venice, and this is one of my favorite scenes because this particular scene introduces us with Shylock, the villain character, the most powerful character, the most dramatic figure in this particular drama. Okay, at first I thought to make this particular scene in two parts, but later I thought that cutting off this particular scene will spoil the interest, so this video is going to be a bit lengthy, so have patience, but I can assure you will not feel bored because the way Shylock has been introduced in this particular drama is extremely fascinating. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Act 1 Scene 3, The Merchant of Venice, Shylock's introduction. So this particular scene is a crucial as an exposition of the characters of Shylock. Shylock is a Jew moneylender who lends money with high interest. Shylock is a Jew, okay, and Jews are always having an enmity with Christians, whereas we have got that Antonio and Bassanio are Christians, so we are getting a sense of enmity over there, and this particular scene has been connected with Act 1 Scene 1. You just remember in Act 1 Scene 1 we have got that Bassanio has come to Antonio asking for money. Right now Antonio doesn't have liquid money, liquid cash in his hand, but he wants to help his friend Bassanio by providing the present sum, okay, the urgent amount which he needs to go to Belmont. So Antonio told Bassanio to go to market and just find out any moneylender who can give him 3,000 ducats. 3,000 ducats is not a cup of tea, so छोटा मोटा कोई moneylender नहीं दे सकता है, so definitely they must go to a royal or rich moneylender. So Shylock is very rich moneylender. So finally Bassanio has come to Shylock for taking money, 3,000 ducats. Okay, now the way Shylock has delivered his dialogue, you just pay full concentration, pay full attention how nicely he is delivering the dialogues, and एक एक शब्द में, एक एक वर्ड में, एक एक डायलॉग में शाइलॉक का जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है वो एकदम एक्सप्रेस हो रहा है बहुत ही एविडेंटली, बहुत ही एकदम साफ तरीके से. सो फर्स्ट वन, दिस पर्टिकुलर सीन इज टेकिंग प्लेस इन अ पब्लिक प्लेस वेयर, सो यू जस्ट once again visualize you are sitting in the theater. Okay, it's completely dark, the stage is there right in front of you, the curtain opens, the light falls, and you found two characters are there on the stage. Okay, I mean, one of them is Bassanio, the dearest friend of Antonio, and one of them is Shylock, the villain character of this particular drama. So Bassanio has already told Shylock that he wants to take 3,000 ducats. So first dialogue is of Shylock. 3,000 ducats. Well, Bassanio, yes sir, for 3 months. Shylock, for 3 months. Well, Bassanio, for the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. Antonio shall be bound. Well, so see, Shylock has used the term well thrice. That means somehow, and see, I mean, how precisely he is delivering the dialogues. 3,000 ducats. Well, for 3 months. Well, Antonio shall be bound. Well, that means he is gathering all the informations and planning something crucial in his mind. So Bassanio, may you steed me? Steed in the sense of help. Can you help me? Will you pleasure me? Shall I know your answer? Shylock, 3,000 ducats for 3 months. Once again he is repeating same things. 3,000 ducats, okay, for 3 months. So all the same informations he is repeating. He is repeating means, as he is repeating, it means it shows his plan, that he is planning something crucial in his subconscious mind. Okay, Bassanio, your answer to that. Shylock, Antonio is a good man. Needless to say, Antonio is a good man. Bassanio, have you heard any imputation to the contrary? That means, have you heard anything bad, anything wrong, anything opposite about Antonio. Shylock, oh no, no, no. My meaning in saying he is a good man is to have you understand me that he is sufficient. Yet his means are in suppositions. Suppositions, another keyword, it means risk. So he is saying, no, fine, Antonio is well enough, he is good enough to be a guarantor, okay. But then also all his merchandise, all his business, all his means are in risk right now. Why? Because we have already come to know in Act 1, Scene 1 that Antonio has sent all his ships together at sea for business purpose. He had an Argosy bound to Tripolis. उनका एक जहाज ट्रिपोलिस पे है, another to the Indies. I understand moreover upon the Rialto. Rialto is the business place in Venice. So Shylock has come to know everything about Antonio's Venice from where? From Rialto. Okay, so he's telling, I understand moreover upon the Rialto he had the third in Mexico, fourth in England. So first one is Tripolis, second one Indies, okay, third one Mexico, and fourth one England. So see, Shylock has all the informations about Antonio's business. Okay, he is very clever, very shrewd kind of person. And other ventures he had squandered abroad. But ships are but boats, sailors but men. There be land rats and water thieves and land thieves. Please पूरा underline करके रखो आप लोग, bird से thieves तक. So he is telling, I mean pirates, and then there is a peril of waters, winds and rocks. The man is notwithstanding sufficient 3,000 ducats. I think I may take his bond. So here that one Shylock is telling that I know he is quite good, okay, he is I can believe him as guarantor, I can take him as a guarantor, but then also ships are boat, anything may happen to the ships. Besides land rats are there, pirates are there, water rats are there, so anything can be happened with his ships. So see, very gradually, slowly Shylock is expressing, Shylock is showcasing his plans. What does he want to say? This is the main point. This is the main point to be understood in this particular dialogues. Bassanio, be assured, you may. Shylock, I will be assured, I may, and that I may be assured, I will bethink me. May I speak to Antonio? So Shylock is telling, okay, fine, I can assure you, but may I talk to Antonio for a while? So before giving money, Bassanio wants to talk Antonio. Why? We will come to know later. Bassanio, if it please with you, dine with us. So see the mentality of Bassanio. Bassanio is Christian, okay, and Shylock is Jew. I already told you. So Bassanio does not like, they hate Jew, especially they hate Shylock. But right now Bassanio is in need of money. This is the reason he is oiling Shylock, he is buttering Shylock. He is telling, he is asking, yeah fine, you can meet Antonio, no problem, but can you have a dinner with us, Shylock? Shylock, yes, to smell pork, to eat the habitation which your prophet the Nazarite conjured in the devil into. I will buy with you, sell with you, talk with you, walk with you, and so following, but I will not eat with you, drink with you, nor pray with you. What news on the Rialto? Who is he comes here? Enter Antonio. So see, Shylock is very daring. Okay, Shylock जो भी बोलता है वो मुंह के ऊपर बोल देता है, वो पीछे कुछ नहीं बोलता है. So जब Bassanio जब उसे पूछ रहा है कि आप डिनर कर सकते हो, then directly Shylock said, why? Just to smell pork. Pork is loved by Christians, but pork is not loved by Jews. Okay, so so this is the reason Shylock is telling why. I would dine with you, I would have dinner with you just to smell pork. See Bassanio, keep it in your mind that I can talk with you, I can sell with you, that means I can do business with you, but I cannot drink with you, I cannot eat with you. That means here Shylock can go with any business or in official purpose with Christians, but he is not at all willing to have any formal relation, any relation out of business, any personal relation he does not want to make with Christians. And pork is very important, like pork is loved by Christians, they eat pork very often, but pork is not liked or eaten by whom? By Jews, and definitely and Shylock is Jew. So Bassanio, this is Signia Antonio. Shylock, how like a frowning publican he looks. Frowning, another keyword, it means shabby, okay, low. So I hate him for he is Christian. See, जो भी Shylock बोल रहा है एकदम मुंह के ऊपर बोल रहा है. I hate him because he is Christian. I hate him because he is Christian. He is Christian, but more for that, in low simplicity he lends out money gratis and brings down the rate of usance here with us in Venice. If I can catch him once upon the hip, I will feed fat. Ancient grudge, another keyword. I bear him. He hates our sacred nation and he rails even there where merchants most do congregate on me by bargains and my well-worn thrift, which he calls interest. Cursed be my tribe if I forgive him. So very important, like just see, actually this particular piece of dialogue by Shylock has not been delivered to Bassanio. Neither Bassanio nor Antonio. This is called soliloquy. Soliloquy. It means when the speaker speaks to the audience. Suppose ऐसा है, so suppose I am Shylock, okay, and you all are audience, okay, and here Bassanio is standing. So at first Bassanio told me something, and पहला जो dialogue है Bassanio ने कहा, अब ये जो डायलॉग है शाइलॉक का, वो मैं जो हूँ या फिर शाइलॉक जो है वो ऑडियंस को बोल रहा है कि आई हेट हिम स्पेशली बिकॉज ही इज क्रिश्चियन एंड ही हैज ब्रॉट डाउन माय बिजनेस एवरीथिंग. ये जो है वो शाइलॉक ब्रसानियो का नहीं बोल रहा है, वो बोल रहा है किसको? ऑडियंस को. सो इट इज कॉल्ड soliloquy. SOLILOQUY. Okay, so I hate him for he is Christian. That means see, Shylock is expressing his grudge. Shylock is telling the reason why he hates Antonio a lot. I hate him for he is a Christian, but more for that in low simplicity he lends out money gratis and brings down the rate of usance here with us in Venice. Actually see, Shylock is a money lender. This is his business only, but Antonio's business, not only, I mean Antonio has many business like ships and all other businesses. So the source of income, Shylock's source of income is by lending money and taking interest, okay, whereas Antonio, this is lending money and taking interest, it is not done by Antonio does not like it, as this is not his source of income. ये Antonio का source of income नहीं है. So this is the reason, and Antonio, Christians think that this is immortal to lend money and take interest, okay. And this is the reason Antonio lends money without any interest, and definitely when people are there in need of money, they go to Antonio, they don't come to Shylock. और वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Shylock is forced, indirectly Shylock is forced to bring down the rate of interest. So this is the reason of their enmity. So वही Shylock बोल रहा है, if I can catch him upon the hip, I will feed fat the ancient grudge. Ancient grudge means see, the grudge Shylock has been bearing since long. बहुत दिन से grudge है. अगर उसको किसी भी गलती, मतलब कैसे भी हो, अगर मुझसे मैं पकड़ सकता तो मेरा सारा जो एंशियंट ग्रज है, सारा जो एकदम मतलब मेरा गुस्सा है, मैं एकदम निकाल देता उस पर. He hates our sacred nation. Sacred nation keywords means Jewish race, okay, and he rails even there where merchants most do congregate. On me they bargains and my well-worn thrift, which he calls interest. So he insulted me a lot. He told me many bad things, but for what? But for money, which is owned by me only. मेरा पैसा है, मैं उसे जैसे चाहूँ, मेरा जैसा मन है मैं वैसे यूज़ करूँ. तो इसमें एंटोनियो का क्या जा रहा है? उसके बावजूद भी एंटोनियो जो है मुझसे बहुत एकदम रियाल्टो में, जब वहाँ पे बहुत सारा बिजनेसमैन वहाँ पे था या फिर रहता है, तब वो मुझे बहुत इंसल्ट करता है. Cursed be my tribe if I forgive him. So he is telling that may my tribe be cursed if I forgive him. That means see, Shylock is not going to forgive Antonio anymore, right? Shylock is not going to forgive Antonio anymore. This is the reason he was gathering all the informations. 3,000 ducats for 3 months, Antonio shall be bound. He was gathering all the information and he was planning something crucial, something bad for Antonio, the protagonist. Bassanio, Shylock, do you hear? So यही ना हो रहा है कि शाइलॉक जो है, ये पूरा डायलॉग शाइलॉक किसको बोल रहा था? ऑडियंस को बोल रहा था, राइट? अब यहाँ पे जो बसानियो खड़ा है, तो बसानियो से पूछ रहा है, डू यू हियर, क्या आपको सुनाई दिया? देन शाइलॉक जस्ट टर्न्स टू बसानियो एंड डिलीवर्स हिज डायलॉग, आई एम डिबेटिंग माय प्रेजेंट स्टोर. सी हाउ डिप्लोमेटिक ही इज, ओके, हाउ फ्लुएंटली ही कुड टेल लाई. Present store, another keyword, and by the near guess of my memory, I cannot instantly raise up the gross of full 3,000 ducats. What of that? Tubal, a wealthy Hebrew of my tribe, will furnish me, but soft means wet. How many months do you desire? Raise to fear, good Signor, your worship was the last man in our mouths. So Shylock was telling, and the last dialogue was being delivered to the audience. Okay, then Bassanio said, do you hear? Then Shylock, yes, yeah, I can hear you. Even in fact, I was calculating my present store. मैं calculate कर रहा था कि अभी मेरे पास कितना liquid money है. But how far I can guess, I cannot give you, I cannot serve you, I cannot provide you the full amount which you need right now. But don't worry at all. My friend is there, whose name is Tubal, who is a wealthy Hebrew. Okay, he can give you the rest of the money. Now suppose 3,000, ऐसे मैं इसको बता रहा हूँ, जैसे कि बसानियो को 3,000 डकेट्स चाहिए, ठीक है? तो मान लो कि अभी इसके पास, शाइलॉक के पास सिर्फ 1,000 डकेट्स है, ठीक है? तो बाकी का जो पैसा है वो अपनी दोस्त ट्यूबल से लेके उसे फर्निश कर देंगे. नाउ हियर इज अ पॉइंट. डेफिनेटली, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द एनमिटी इज देयर बिटवीन क्रिश्चियन एंड ज्यूज. दैट मीन्स एंटोनियो एंड शाइलॉक. शाइलॉक इज टेलिंग डायरेक्टली दैट, पहला जो डायलॉग है कि आई हेट हिम फॉर ही इज अ क्रिश्चियन. दैट मीन्स देन ऑल्सो शाइलॉक इज ट्राइंग टू हेल्प बसानियो बियॉन्ड हिज लिमिटेशन. ऐसा ही नहीं, कुछ तो प्लान उसका जरूर है, तभी जाके वो बसानियो को आउट ऑफ द रेंज जाके, आउट ऑफ द लिमिटेशन जाके, ही इज ट्राइंग टू हेल्प बसानियो. आई होप यू गॉट द पॉइंट. By the time Antonio came, okay, and to Antonio, Shylock is delivering his last speech. Rest you fear, good Signor, your worship was the last man in our mouth. So we were talking about you only, and you have come. Antonio, Shylock, albeit I neither lend nor borrow by taking nor by giving of excess, yet to supply the right wants. Right wants means, urgent money, urgent need. Bassanio को जितना पैसा चाहिए, to of my friend I will break a custom. Is he yet possessed? How much you would? That means Antonio is telling, see Shylock, ना मैं पैसे उधार लेता हूँ, ना मैं पैसा देता हूँ एक्सेस रेट में. यानी कि अगर मैं किसी को पैसा देता हूँ तब भी मैं एक्सेस कुछ नहीं लेता हूँ. मैं जितना दिया है मैंने उतना ही मैं लेता हूँ, और मैं किसी से पैसा लूँ तो भी मैं एक्सेस नहीं देता. मैंने जितना लिया उतना ही मैं देता हूँ. हालांकि अभी जो सिचुएशन है, अभी मेरे जो दोस्त है बसानियो, इससे अर्जेंट ये पैसा चाहिए, तभी जाके मैं तुम्हारे पास आया हूँ, ठीक है? ये बोल के एंटोनियो द लास्ट डायलॉग जो है बसानियो के बोला, अच्छा इसे पता है कि कितना मंथ के लिए तुम्हें चाहिए? सो आई होप यू गॉट द पॉइंट. शाइलॉक, 3,000 ducats. Antonio, and 3 months. Shylock, I had forgot. 3 months. You told me so. Well, then you're bound, and let me see. But here you, methought you said you neither lend nor borrow upon advantage. So you say, oh, fine, I forgot that. Yeah, he needs 3,000 ducats for 3 months. But how far I know, Antonio, that you neither lend money nor borrow? Then why have you come here to me for taking money? Antonio, I do never use it. Shylock, when Jacob graced his uncle Laban's sheep, this Jacob from our holy Abraham was the third possessor. He was the third. Antonio, and what of him? Did he take interest? Shylock, no, not to take interest not take interest, not as you would say, directly interest. Mark what Jacob did when Laban and himself were compromised, that all the yearlings which were sticked and pied should fall on Jacob's hire. This was a way to thrive, and he was blessed, and thrift is blessing is men if men steal it not. So अब एंटोनियो जो है, शाइलॉक जो बोल रहा है, when Jacob took his uncle Laban's sheep out for grazing, this was Jacob who descended from our holy Abraham, was the as his wise mother schemed on his behalf, became the third successor of the family estate. Yes, he was third. तो यहाँ पे जो है अब शाइलॉक जो है वो क्या क्या बाइबल से, ठीक है, कुछ इंस्टेंसेस ले रहा है, कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स ले रहा है, लाइक जैकब और लैबन का। यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था, एक स्टोरी है छोटा सा कि जैकब और लैबन जो है, और एक बात बता दूँ, यहाँ पे कुछ कुछ सेंटेंस है, कुछ कुछ पार्ट है जो मेन जो मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस है उसमें है, ये जो फॉर्म है इसमें वो सब ओमिट कर दिया गया है। तो इसीलिए ये थोड़ा समझने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा ये पार्ट, लेकिन मैं एकदम शॉर्ट करके, एकदम छोटा करके वो स्टोरी बता देता हूँ ताकि वो समझ में आए। सो लैबन और जैकब में एक डील हुआ था। देयर वाज अ डील दैट उनका जो शिप है उनसे जो मतलब जो बेबी होगा वो जितना, उनमें से जितना भी बेबी बाई कलर होगा वो सारा जाएगा जैकब के हिस्से पे, और जितना और बाकी जो जाएगा वो जाएगा लैबन के हिस्से पे। तो वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था कि when the mothership expected to give birth at that time, very skillfully, very cleverly, what did Jacob do? Jacob planted some rods just in front of them, and it inspired them, and they gave birth to spotted babies. तो फिर क्या हुआ, अकॉर्डिंग टू द डीलिंग्स, तो जितना भी स्पॉटेड बेबीज था वो जैकब के अंडर में चला गया। सो जैकब जो है यहाँ पे अपना दिमाग का इस्तेमाल किया, चालाकी किया, उसने चोरी नहीं किया, ठीक है, फिर जाके वो मतलब रिच बना। तो यहाँ पे शाइलॉक जो है वो वही बोल रहा है कि जैकब जो था उसने चोरी नहीं किया, वो अपना दिमाग लगाया, चालाकी किया, अपना दिमाग लगा के वो जो है वो रिच बना है। सो सिमिलरली मैं यहाँ पे चोरी नहीं कर रहा हूँ। शाइलॉक ये जो है मतलब एंटोनियो को ये रीज़न दे रहा है कि तुम जो मुझे ऐसे बोलते हो, बुरा भला बोलते हो, मैंने यहाँ पे चोरी नहीं किया कभी, ठीक है, मैंने अपना दिमाग लगाया और उस दिमाग के बेसिस पे, उस बुद्धि के बेसिस पे मैंने ज़्यादा इनकम किया, तो उसमें तुम्हारा क्या जा रहा है, व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम। Antonio, this was a venture, sir, that Jacob served for, a thing not in his power to bring to pass, but swayed and fashioned by the hand of heaven. Was this inserted to make interest good, or is your gold, silver, ewes and rams? So he is saying no, it was not done by Jacob, rather it was pre-planned by God. So you just don't tell that it was done by Jacob. Shadrach, I cannot tell. I make it breed and fast, but note me, Signe Antonio. Antonio, mark you this Bassanio. अब ये वाला जो डायलॉग है ये एंटोनियो बसानियो को बोल रहा है. मार्क यू दिस बसानियो, द डेविल कैन साइट स्क्रिप्चर फ्रॉम द फॉर हिज पर्पस, एंड एविल सोल प्रोड्यूसिंग होली विटनेस इज लाइक अ विलन विथ स्माइलिंग चिक्स, अ गुडली एप्पल रोटेन एट द हर्ट. Oh, what a goodly outside falsehood hath. Falsehood, another keyword. So here basically essentially Antonio is delivering this particular dialogue to Bassanio that see this man, he is not a holy man, but he is bringing holy examples from Bible just to prove his innocence. Okay, like an apple. An apple is extremely a good red from outer appearance, but if you cut it you would find rotten inside the apple. So similarly this particular guy, that means Shylock, okay, actually he is bringing good references, good examples from Bible, from Holy Bible, but actually he is a wrong person. He is he is a clever person, he is not a good person at all. Shylock, 3,000 ducats, it's good sum, round sum, 3 months for 12, then let me see the rate. Now Shylock started counting the rate of interest. Antonio, well Shylock, shall we be holding to you? That means can we expect that you will help us? Shylock, Signe Antonio, many a time and often in reality you have rated me. Rated means abused me, about my monies and my usance, still have I borne it with patient shrug. Patient shrug, another keyword for sufferance, is the badge of all our tribes. So feeling pity for this tribe, Shylock is feeling pity for his tribe. Shylock बोल रहा है कि many time, बहुत टाइम जो है तुमने मुझे इंसल्ट किया है, ठीक है, मेरा जो ज्यूस रेस है तुमने उसको भी इंसल्ट किया है, लेकिन सारा जो है मैंने एकदम मैंने सहा है, वो चुपचाप मैंने सहा है। तुमने मुझे जो भी कहा है, मेरे जो रेस है, ज्यूस रेस है, उनको जो कहा है मैंने सब कुछ सहा है। वाई? बिकॉज फॉर सफरेंस इज द बैज ऑफ ऑल आवर ट्राइब, दैट मीन्स टॉलरेंस इज द हॉलमार्क ऑफ देयर रेस, टॉलरेंस इज द हॉलमार्क ऑफ देयर रेस। You call me misbeliever, keyword cutthroat dog, keyword, and spit upon my Zeus gabardine, Zeus gabardine keyword. So see, Shylock is telling directly to Antonio, okay, मतलब उसे डर नहीं लगता है, वो किसी का परवाह नहीं करता है कि वो क्या सोचेगा, वो क्या सोचेगा, उन्होंने मुझे कहा है मैं उसे छोड़ूंगा नहीं, चलो यार उसके मुंह पे बोलो। सो यही थिंग जो है देखो Shylock कर रहा है कि जो बोल रहा है वो एकदम बसानियों को डायरेक्ट बोल रहा है, जो बोल रहा है ऑडियंस को डायरेक्ट बोल रहा है, जो बोल रहा है एकदम अंटोनियो को डायरेक्ट बोल रहा है कि यू कॉल मी मिसबिलीवर, यू कॉल मी कटथ्रोट डॉग, इवन यू स्पैट ऑन माई ज्यूस gabardine kind of cloak, okay, that Shylock used to wear, and all for use of that which is mine own. Well then it now appears you need money, and you have insulted me for all the things which are mine. तुम्हारा नहीं है, मेरा है, उसके बावजूद भी तुमने मुझे इंसल्ट किया है, अब तुम मेरे पास आए हो पैसा मांगने। हाँ, गो टू देन यू कम टू मी एंड यू से Shylock we would have monies, you say so, you that did void your realm upon my beard and foot me as you spurn a stranger cur, another keywords, and possibly cur is the favorite word of Shylock of William Shakespeare. In many of his dramas we have got this particular term, this particular word. Over your threshold, money is your suit. So he is telling that you spat on me and you behaved with me as if you are kicking a stray dog out of your house, out of your threshold, and now you have come to me for money. What should I say to you? तो अब मुझे क्या बोलना चाहिए? तुमने मुझे कहा था कि मैं डॉग हूँ, तुमने मुझ पे थूका था, तुमने मुझे मिसबिलीवर कहा था, तुमने मुझे कटथ्रोट डॉग कहा था, अब तुम्हारा पैसा का जरूरत है, तुम मेरे पास, अब मुझे क्या बोलना चाहिए? ओके, शुड आई नॉट से हैड डॉग मनी? इज इट पॉसिबल अ कर कैन लेंड 3000 डकर्स? तो अब बता एंटोनियो, क्या मुझे ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए? क्या एक डॉग के पास मनी हो सकता है? कैन अ कर हैव 3000 डकर्स? क्या एक डॉग क्या तुम्हें पैसा उधार दे सकता है? Shall I bend low and in a bondman's key with bated breath and whispering humbleness say this? Fair sir, you spit on me on Wednesday last, you spurned me such a day, and at the time you called me dog, and for these courtesies I will lend you thus much monies. तो तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है एंटोनियो? अब क्या मुझे क्या बोलना चाहिए, मुझे क्या नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि क्या एक डॉग तुम्हें कैसे दे सकता है पैसा? या फिर मुझे तुम्हारे सामने एकदम सर झुका के एकदम स्लेव की तरह बात करना चाहिए कि नहीं सर, आपने मुझ पे थूका था, आपने मुझे गाली दिया था, आपने मुझे बुरा भला कहा था, आपने मुझे इंसल्ट किया था, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट एंड दिस इज द रीजन आई एम रेडी टू गिव यू द मनी विच यू नीड। वेरी क्लेवर एंड मतलब बात जो करता है Shylock, मतलब आग लगा देने टाइप, मतलब जो भी बोलता है एकदम सामने मुंह के ऊपर। एंटोनियो, I am as like to call thee so again. So see the attitude of Antonio. Antonio is in need of money, but he is showing attitude. मैं तुम्हें और भी बोलूंगा, मैं तुम्हें और भी इंसल्ट करूंगा. He is directly telling to Shylock to spit on thee again. मैं फिर से थूकूंगा तुम पे. To spurn thee too. If thou wilt lend this money, lend it not, and so lend it not as to thy friends, for when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend? But lend it rather to thine enemy, who if he break, thou mayst with better face exact the penalty. So Antonio is telling once again and again I will spit on you, again and again I will call you misbeliever, cutthroat dog, once again and again I will insult you. Okay, and you just Shylock, you don't worry, you just don't give money according to, I mean, just because of friendship or something like this. Just rather think you are giving money to your enemy, so that if your enemy would not be able to return the money within the time given by you, so that you can take penalty from him. So friend की तरह आप तुम पैसा ना दो, लेकिन एनिमी सोच के तुम पैसा दो ताकि तुम पेनल्टी ले सको. Shylock, why? Look you, how is Storm? That means really Antonio doesn't have money. This is the reason. वो ऐसा बोल रहा है कि तुम एटलीस्ट क्या जो है, तुम एक एटलीस्ट मतलब एनिमी की तरह तुम पैसा दो. तो Shylock वही बोल रहा है कि look how, why? Look you, how is Storm? I would be friends with you and have your love. Forget the sames that you have stained me with. Supply your present wants and take no doit of usance for my monies and you will not hear me. This is the kind offer. So Shylock वहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि देखो देखो कैसा तुम गुस्सा हो रहे हो, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, I would be your friend and have your love. Forget the insults that you caused to me. I will give you money, okay, and I will not take any interest. And this is a kind offer I am offering to you. Shylock is telling to Antonio. Bassanio, these were kindness. Indeed, it would be very kind of you, Shylock. Shylock, this kindness will I show. Now, see, अब Shylock जो है अपने असली रूप पे आ गया कि देखो अब तुम्हें मैं क्या करता हूँ. Shylock, this kindness will I show. Go with me to a notary, seal me there your single bond and in a made sport, another keyword, very important, okay, if you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums as are expressed in the condition, let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me. Wow, मतलब so fascinating. अब Shylock बोला ठीक है, अरे कोई बात नहीं, मैं तुम्हें पैसा दूंगा, तो फिर मैं तुम्हें ये काइंडनेस दिखा सकता हूँ कि मैं तुम्हें कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा, ओके, पैसा दे दूंगा, तुमने मुझे जो इंसल्ट किया सब कुछ मैं भूल जाऊँगा, लेकिन एक काम करो, तुम मेरे साथ लॉयर के पास चलो, एक मेरी बॉन्ड वहाँ पे साइन करो. दैट मीन्स मजाक के तौर पे एक बॉन्ड साइन करो कि जो डेट दिया जाएगा और जो अमाउंट दिया जाएगा, अगर उस डेट के अंदर वो जो डिसाइडेड अमाउंट है, अगर तुम नहीं लौटा सकते हो तो नहीं लौटा सकोगे, तो मैं तुम्हारे मतलब जो तुम्हारे बॉडी से कहीं से भी जहां से मेरा मन करे 1 पाउंड फ्लैश में ले लूंगा. गॉट माई पॉइंट? Antonio, content I faith, I will seal to such a bond and save. There is much kindness in Jews. So Antonio tell I am content indeed. I will sign such a bond and I will say that that the particular Jew is very kind. Still now see Antonio is showing his attitude continuously. But see the graph is sometimes going up, going down. Okay, sometimes he is very angry, sometimes he is very low. So I hope you can feel the graph of the character of Shylock, and this is the most important thing. This is the most fascinating a point that I like the most. The characteristic of Shylock, there is a particular graph, up and down is extremely good. Bassanio, you shall not seal to such a bond for me. I will rather dwell in my necessity. Antonio, why? Fear not, man. I will not forfeit it within these 2 months. That's a month before this bond expires. I do expect return of thrice 3 times the value of his bond. Very important सब. Antonio Bassanio बोल रहा है नहीं, तुम ऐसा कुछ साइन नहीं करोगे, मुझे नहीं चाहिए पैसा, मैं सब कुछ ठीक कर लूँगा. Antonio बोल रहा है चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो, डोंट वरी एट ऑल. दैट मीन्स एंटोनियो इज ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. ओके, बोल रहा है कि 3 महीना टाइम देना, उससे पहले ही मेरा सारा जहाज आ जाएगा और मैं बॉन्ड के जितना बॉन्ड अमाउंट है उसका थ्राइस 3 टाइम मैं प्रॉफिट अर्न कराऊंगा. थ्राइस 3 टाइम मीन्स बॉन्ड इज 3000 इंटू 3, थ्राइस 9, दैट मीन्स 3000 इंटू 3, 9000 इंटू 3, 27,000 टाइम्स ज़्यादा मैं प्रॉफिट कर लूँगा, उसमें से मैं 3000 पैकेट्स दे दूँगा, उससे प्रॉब्लम क्या है. Shylock, Oh, Father Abraham, what these Christians are, those whose own heart dealings teaches them suspect the thoughts of others. Pray you, tell me this, if he should break his day, what should I gain by the exaction of the forfeiture? A pound of man's flesh taken from a man is not so estimable, profitable, neither as the flesh of muttons, beefs, or goats. I say, to buy his favor, I extend his friendship, if he will take it, so if not, adieu, and for my love I pray you wrong me not. So, and Shylock बोल रहा है वो फादर अब्राहम, what kind of people these Christians are, okay, they are very doubtful. अब शाइलक यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कि ये जिस मजाक के तौर पे एक जो बॉन्ड है यहाँ पे साइन करना होगा, हालांकि मैं तुम्हारा जो फ्लैश है वो लेके क्या करूंगा, अगर ये कुछ मटन का होता, गोट का होता या फिर बीफ्स का होता तो भी ठीक है, लेकिन इंसान का जो मांस है, इंसान का जो फ्लैश है, उसका क्या वैल्यू है, व्हाट can I do with 1 pound of flesh taken from you? This is the reason. Now choice is yours. If you want to take, then go for it. If you don't want to take, then don't go for it. But please don't get me wrong, Antonio. Very diplomatically, Shylock is hypnotizing Antonio. एंटोनियो, यस शाइलॉक, आई विल सील अनटू दिस बॉन्ड. ठीक है, मैं कर लूँगा. शाइलॉक, देन मीट मी forthwith at the notary's, give him direction for this merry bond, and I will go and purge the ducat straight to see my house left in the fearful guard of an unthrifty knave. Please underline, fearful guard of an unthrifty knave refers to Lancelot, who is working under Shylock. Later he would go to Bassanio and would take job under Bassanio, okay, and presently I will be with you. So Shylock बोल रहा है कि ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, तो फिर चलो लॉयर के सामने मिलते हैं, तुम उसे डायरेक्शन दे देना कि कैसे कैसे क्या लिखना है नहीं लिखना है, तब तक मैं घर जाता हूँ. वहाँ पे जो है जो अनथ्रिफ्टी नेप जो है यानी कि लैंसलॉट जी, उसे मैंने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिया है मेरा घर देखने का. सो ही इज़ वेरी फुलिश काइंड ऑफ गाय, ओके. सो मैं डायरेक्ट पैसा लेके आ जाऊँगा, तुम्हें दे दूंगा पैसा. एंटोनियो, हाय दी जेंटल जी, ओके फाइन, hurry up बोल के Shylock has left the stage. Now two characters are there on the stage, Antonio and Bassanio. The Hebrew will turn Christian, he grows kind. So पहला जो डायलॉग है एंटोनियो का, हाय दी जेंटल ज्यू, ये एंटोनियो बोल रहा है शाइलॉक को. शाइलॉक स्टेज से निकल जाता है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो डायलॉग है वो बोल रहा है ऑडियंस को, या फिर ये भी बोल सकते कि वो बोल रहा है बसानियो को. द हिब्रू विल टर्न क्रिश्चियन, ही ग्रोज काइंड. दैट द हिब्रू विल टर्न क्रिश्चियन, ही इज बिकमिंग काइंड. दैट मीन्स डेफिनेटली he is going to give him money. This in that particular sense he is telling that he is becoming very kind. This is also a sarcastic comment, okay, delivered by Antonio. Bassanio, I like not fair terms and a villain's mind. So Bassanio बोलो कि fine, but I don't believe Shylock's mind, you know, because he is a villain and कोई भरोसा नहीं है कि वो क्या बोल रहा है, क्या सोच रहा है. Antonio, come on, in this there can be no dismay. My ships come home a month before the day. He is very confident, rather he is overcome. क्या अब डोंट वरी एट ऑल ना, टाइम से पहले मेरा सारा जहाज आ जाएगा, सो मैं सारा पैसा उसको रिटर्न कर दूंगा, डोंट वरी. तो बोल के वो लोग चला गया. सो नाउ वी हैव कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर सीन, एक्ट 1 सीन 2. नाउ फ्यू इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स of Shylock. Okay, please note it down. First of all, Shylock is a villain deserving some empathy. Definitely he is deserving some empathy, like you know that he is insulted by Antonio a lot. Okay, tolerance is the hallmark of their races. This kind of dialogues also attracting some sympathy of the readers towards Shylock. So Shylock is a villain deserving some sympathy. Next, he is a usurer by profession. Definitely this is, I mean, lending money, taking interest is his only source of income. Okay, he is very deceitful and crafty man. Definitely he is very deceitful and crafty man. You know, he planned the plot very skillfully, and he has taken all the informations from Bassanio. He was repeating the dialogues, he is repeating the same sentence. He has taken all the informations from Bassanio, then he planned it. So he is very deceitful and he is very crafty kind of man. Okay, revengeful and bloodthirsty. Definitely he wants to take revenge. Ancient grudge, वो वहाँ पे डायरेक्ट बोल रहा है कि अगर मैं उसे पकड़ सकता ना, अगर किसी भी तरह वो मेरे हाथ में आ जाता तो मेरा सारा जितना मेरा एकदम मतलब गुस्सा है मेरा सारा निकाल देते एकदम उस पे. So he is revengeful and bloodthirsty. This is the reason he has taken that if anyhow Antonio would be unable to pay the amount within the decided time, okay, or date, he is going to take a pound of flesh from any part of his body he wishes to take from. Next, suspicious nature and do not trust anyone. Definitely he is very doubtful and he does not trust anyone. He does not trust anyone. इससे बेहतर होगा कि हम लोग इसे ये बोले कि he does not trust Antonio, because we have not got any other reference that what Shylock has done with other businessmen or other people, right? Rather we have got that he has immense enmity, the revengeful mindset for Antonio. So it's better to say suspicious nature and he does not trust Antonio. But दो सी अब जो है एक इंसान जो होता है उसका अच्छाई भी होता है खराब भी होता है. So Shylock, though he is a villain character, but he too has some redeeming quality. Okay, कुछ अच्छा दिख भी है उनमें. जैसे कि फर्स्ट ये है कि चैंपियन ऑफ हिज रेस. ओके, ही इज द चैंपियन ऑफ हिज रेस. ही इज वेरी wealthy money lender. He has established his business in vast area. Okay, and though he is forced to bring down the rate of interest, it's different matter, but then also he has established himself as a popular moneylender in the market of Venice, and he speaks eloquently and convincingly. Definitely देखो यहाँ पे जो बात करने का जो तरीका है, हालांकि एंटोनियो बसानियो भी बात कर रहा है, Shylock भी बात कर रहा है, but Shylock, the way Shylock is talking, the way Shylock is speaking, it's more eloquent than Antonio and Bassanio. बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से एकदम वो कन्विंसिंगली बात कर रहा है. फाइनली शाइलॉक जो है वो एंटोनियो को कन्विंस कर ही देता है कि तुम आओ और इस बॉन्ड पे साइन करो. हालांकि वो बोल रहा है कि मैं मजाक के तौर पे तुम ये बॉन्ड साइन करो, बट वी विल कम टू नो लेटर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर ड्रामा दैट शाइलॉक इज नॉट एट ऑल इन मॉकिंग. rather he is not in a funny mood, rather he is very serious about the bond. बाद में हम लोगों को ये पता चलेगा. सो हियर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड द कंप्लीट एक्ट वन सीन 3 इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ Shylock. I hope you enjoyed the chapter, you enjoyed the explanation, and definitely whatever the points I told you, you just write them in your answer script. Okay, the characteristics of Shylock ये भी मैंने बोल दिया, and I hope you all have written down. So finally done. Now नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जो है वो है एक्ट 2 सीन 1. ओके, उसमें हम लोग आएंगे प्रिंस ऑफ मोरक्को के बारे में. वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम लोग देखेंगे. आप लोग बस आज के लिए इतना ही. डू वॉच द वीडियोस, राइट टू मी इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. जस्ट आई विल ट्राई टू कम बैक टू यू एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, एंड प्लीज डोंट forget to share the channel with your friends. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Press the like button if you have liked it. I mean, I have added if, but I know you have liked it, so please like the video. Press the like button. We will meet in the next video with next act and next scene. Thanks for watching.